Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Munani. Today we are continuing with where we stopped the other time, but today our task is to create a safe current count reader, right? Which will be reading an input current. Then when it is not the right one, then it will terminate the reading. Is that okay? So as usual, we will open our software. Open our software, you go to File, Project, Console Application. So let's say our project name is Try. We are trying it. You create a different folder, create your own folder where you want it to be. You can put it on desktop. Let me say new folder. Let's create a new folder. Try. So we place our file here. So when we open the interface as usual, this is how it will be. So you clear it, you clear everything. Then you start with your own. So now let's start with what we are coming to do today. Hashtag include IOStream using namespace STE. So when you are done like this, then you come to your main code. Int main. You can double. This allow you to save. You say double, you use the double instead of int current, right? This allow you to store current readings. Store current readings. Follow along as you progress. Int save count. Equal 0. Count to safe reading. Right. That is less than or equal to what? 10 amps. Right. So int unsafe count equals 0. Here we are going to say what? Sorry, there was a typo here. count, not sound. Count. Count to unsafe count. Let me say unsafe readings, right? Safe readings, unsafe readings. That is when the current is greater than what? 10 amps. Right. Now we are coming to, let's create a header for our program. You understand? The other time we learn about how to do all these things. So now, as we are coding, we have to make it professional. So we add headings and, you know, make it look nice and interesting to spark curiosity. Yeah. So let me put header here. But program header. So see out. Don't forget. Let's put this there to make it look nice. See out. Counting what? Count safe readings, right? Let's put it in the middle so that to look one washes. Alright. No. Then see out. Let's use plus here, right? And now we are going to give a condition, right? See out. Then we come. A reading is safe if it is less, if it is 10, okay, if it is 10 or less, if it is 10 or less. Amps. Now we are done with our header, right? So now we are coming to create a loop for our current, right? We are now coming to create a loop for our current. So now let's give it a space. We are coming to create a loop. So let's create a loop. For a loop, for loop. Accept exactly it current readings. Right now, let's come here. Now, for int I equals 1, don't forget your parentheses, they're important in C++. Now, as you are creating the loop, you are saying that if you run the program, what you enter, it should be from 1 to 8, 1 to 8, less than or equal to 8. So I is that number that you don't know until the user enter. That okay? So we continue. Right, then we come C out, enter current readings. I in arms, so you bring arms, then C in. Your C in will be what? Current, right? Because you have current. Your parenthesis. Now we are coming to check if our statement will tally with what we are having, right? So we are coming to create if statement for this code. Check. So if the current is less than or equal to 10, we are saying that it should do what? It should print what? safe readings or safe current, right? That is what you are saying it should be. Then what? Safe count. Right? Else, 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 you should do what? See out. Else, it should print on safe current, right? Let's edit our code. So for that, typos. Sorry for the typos. Safe count. Is that okay? So right now we are done with our conditions to give. Now we are coming to, we are coming to the display pattern. So let's say display final count, right? So we say what? See out as usual. For the code to look nice. See out. Results summary. Right? See out. Safe readings. Less than or equal to 10. right? So safe count C out unsafe readings greater than 10. Unsafe counts and hope you are following. As you are watching, you are also trying to do something. It's okay. So C out. Now we are coming to check for the total readings entered, right? Total readings entered. Because what? Let me put this in here so that to separate the code. Safe count plus safe count. Right? If we are correct, C++ will let us know, right? Then C out. We are done with our conditions. And here. And right. Return 0. So this is how your code is supposed to look like professionally. Okay, so now let's see if we did everything right. If there are mistakes somewhere, C++ will let us know. Then we make the necessary corrections. Then we go continue, right? Now let's say we want to save this as main, right? So let's save it like that. Let's see where, yes, it is supposed to be IOStream, but you can see that we didn't add a T, right? So let's run it again. Let's see. Good. Here too, it's supposed to be this, right? Let's see where our mistake is. Here it's supposed to be like this, right? Let's check. All right, I think we are sorted. So enter current one. So let's say 23. You see they say what? Unsafe current is greater than 10, so it's unsafe. Let's say 9 safe current because it is less than 10. Let's put any random numbers and let's see if our code is clear. Right, let's see what it says here. So result summary, right? Safe readings, that's less than 10, we have 5 of them. Unsafe readings greater than 10, we have 3 of them. Total readings, we have 8, right? So our code is a successful code. So here you come back to your code. If you want to add comments, which we added already, you can add dates. That will help you know the day you did the code, right? Let's add comments. My try work. Is that okay? Yes, so let's try it again. Let's compile it and run. Let's input any random numbers. You could see that when we enter, then everything will become compacted, will move together. I1, I2, I3, right? So let's put a space there. Let's make a space there for it so that it will not be classed together, right? So let's see readings 1 in arms. So let's go back and make the next. Let's put it inside brackets. Right. Okay. Now let's compile it and run again. So our first current in arms, right? Any random number. Any random number. So we will get everything here. Safe readings 6, unsafe readings 2, unsafe readings 2, yes, unsafe readings 2. We have 33, they are greater than 10, that's why it is 2. We have 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, they are less than 10, so they are safe. So this brings us to the end of today's lesson. If you've not subscribed, subscribe for the next part of the video. I'm going to continue. Until then, see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe for more. Bye bye.